Are you struggling to rank #1 on Google? The secret weapon. Keyword research. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to find the best keywords to dominate search rankings and drive massive traffic. Let's get started. Understanding keyword research. First, what is keyword research? It's the process of finding the exact words and phrases people type into search engines. The goal? To optimize your content so you appear at the top when users search for those terms. Why does this matter? Choosing the right keywords means higher rankings. More traffic equals more leads, sales, and growth. Helps you understand your audience's needs and intent. Types of keywords. Not all keywords are created equal. To maximize your SEO success, you need to understand the different types of keywords and how they impact your ranking strategy. 1. Short-tail keywords, head keywords. These are broad, one- or two-word phrases like SEO or digital marketing. They have high search volume, meaning a lot of people search for them. However, they are highly competitive, making it tough to rank unless you have a strong domain authority. Example: if you're a fitness blogger, a short-tail keyword could be weight loss. 2. Long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases that typically contain 3 or more words. They have lower search volume but higher conversion rates because they target a more specific audience. They are easier to rank for, especially for new websites. Example: instead of targeting SEO, you could target best SEO techniques for beginners. 3. Latent semantic indexing, LSI keywords. These are thematically related words and phrases that Google associates with your main keyword. Using LSI keywords helps search engines understand your content better. Example: if your main keyword is SEO strategies, LSI keywords could include on-page SEO, backlinks, keyword optimization. 4. Competitor keywords. These are the keywords your competitors are already ranking for. By analyzing their keywords, you can find gaps and opportunities to create better content. Tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Ubersuggest can help you find these keywords. Example: if your competitor ranks for best social media marketing tips, you can create a more in-depth guide on the same topic. Why understanding keyword types matters. By mixing short-tail, long-tail, LSI, and competitor keywords, you create a well-balanced SEO strategy that increases your chances of ranking high in search results. Finding high-value keywords. Now that you understand the different types of keywords, let's dive into how to find high-value keywords that will help you rank #1 on Google. 1. Use Google Autocomplete and related searches. Start typing a keyword into Google's search bar, and you'll see suggestions based on what people frequently search. Scroll to the bottom of Google's search results to find related searches that can give you more keyword ideas. Example: typing best SEO strategies might suggest best SEO strategies for small businesses. 2. Google Keyword Planner free tool. Go to Google Ads Keyword Planner. Enter a keyword or topic to see search volume, competition level, and keyword variations. Focus on keywords with moderate to high search volume but low to medium competition. Example: if you're writing about content marketing, Keyword Planner might suggest content marketing examples or content marketing case studies. 3. Ahrefs and SEMrush paid tools for advanced analysis. These tools provide in-depth data on keywords, including difficulty scores, traffic potential, and competitor insights. Find keywords your competitors already rank for and create better, more optimized content to outrank them. Example: if a competitor ranks for best blogging tips, you can analyze their content and write a more detailed guide. 4. Ubersuggest free and affordable option. Enter a keyword to get search volume, competition score, and related keyword ideas. Great for beginners who need a simple keyword research tool. Example: searching for local SEO strategies might suggest how to rank in Google Maps. 5. Analyze competitor websites. Check what keywords your competitors are using in their blog titles, meta descriptions, and content. Use SEO tools like Moz, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to spy on their keyword rankings. Find underutilized long-tail keywords and create high-quality, optimized content. Key takeaways. Google Autocomplete and related searches equals quick keyword ideas. Google Keyword Planner equals free tool for search volume insights. Ahrefs and SEMrush equals advanced keyword analysis and competitor research. Ubersuggest equals beginner-friendly keyword research tool. Competitor analysis equals find gaps and opportunities to rank higher. By using these strategies, you'll uncover high-value keywords that will skyrocket your rankings and drive massive traffic. Evaluating keyword potential. Not all keywords are equal. Analyze keywords based on search volume. How many people search for it monthly? Keyword difficulty. How hard is it to rank? Search intent. Are users looking for information, products, or services? Using keywords strategically. Now that you have keywords, where should you place them? Title and meta description essential for SEO. Headings. H1, H2, H3. Helps Google understand your content. URL and image alt text adds relevancy. Content naturally avoid keyword stuffing. Bonus tips for SEO domination. Before you go, here are some pro tips. Focus on low competition long-tail keywords for faster rankings. Keep your content fresh and updated. Use internal linking to boost SEO power. Analyze and refine your strategy using Google Search Console. Now you know how to do keyword research like a pro. Ready to rank number 1? Hit the like button, subscribe for more SEO secrets, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.